Industry civilization reaches new heights always with the wave of technology revolution. The combination of automation, informatization, and intellectualization makes manufacturing more efficient, more intelligent, and cleaner. Only when manufacturers make constant adjustment and innovation, they can overcome all obstacles and achieve sustainable future. With a continuous iteration, Waterproof HMI constantly improves the level of automation and intellectualization for your devices. HMI enables your devices to connect with the internet easily. Users can monitor the industry field in a real-time and effective manner. Combined with a smart gateway and manages. Waterproof LX6V PLC boasts more reliable and faster design. It is integrated with EtherCAT. It is special for complicated motion control and IoT solutions. Waterproof is based on deep of pain points and difficulties of applications. Therefore, Waterproof Servo Drive wins high praises from our customers. Waterproof frequency inverter has excellent quality, is safe, in applications such as AC, DC wiring terminal machine. Waterproof FAE team has a solid theoretical foundation, rich experiences, and a great passion. They are assigned to main cities across the country. They are the backbone to win users. Based on Waterproof products, they make in-depth research on applications and offer assistance for automation. With a great effort, Waterproof FAE team have built libraries for automation solutions for all kinds of applications. That's the key to win the competitions. Waterproof solution for AC wiring terminal machine has high precision and quick response. Its operation is flexible. Its production is much bigger. This solution is based on Waterproof machine vision, LX5V PLC and VD2 servos. Waterproof solution for aluminum profile milling is based on LX5V PLC and VD2 servo drive. This solution can effectively guarantee the safety for personnel and equipment. We devote ourselves into better experience. Always be with you. User satisfaction is our eternal pursuit. We make every effort to support customer success. We are interdependent and share a common future.
我们千锤百炼，层层把控，只为您的产品过硬。
我们一丝不苟，谨慎用心，只要您的一个放心。
我们专业细致，独具匠心，只愿您做对的事。
Success needs experience and accumulation. Waterproof team is growing fast. The core members of them have become the backbone in R&D and other departments. We keep passion. We never stop. We always adhere to provide better products and excellent solutions for clients from all over the world.
Okay, hello everyone. A huge welcome to our first live stream for Latin American of 2026. My name is Eva, and I'm so excited to kick off this year with you all. You know, this is just a start. We have planned lots more product live this year, which will be focused on Wacom great products. If you don't want to miss out our future upcoming live streams or updates, be sure to subscribe our channel. Well, let's dive into our topic today, the Waterproof IoT HMI WP3000 series. You guys can see there's a fish tank next to me. Our waterproof HMI is sitting right in the tank and taking shower constantly there. That is the product we want to show you today. I've also got a sample here for everyone. This is our waterproof HMI, and as you can see, it has a sleek black design, sleek black casing and minimalist design. Looking at the front, it doesn't look much different from regular HMI, but when I turn it round, you will see all the ports here are gone. There's only one combined integrated cable coming out. This is the biggest feature for this HMI. Under this little cover, you will find two USB ports. One of them is the USB Type-C, is for uploading and downloading program. And the second one is the USB port A, which is for connecting external devices. And here there's a circle cover, which is for the HMI battery. Also, I like to show you this cable. Once you buy this waterproof HMI, you will get a 1.5 meter cable, and there will be a connectors at the end of this cable. The users need to making those cables by themselves. There are the Ethernet ports, the power terminal, the serial ports. You need to prepare and making this cable by yourselves. And let's compare the waterproof HMI with our IG series HMI. It has great casing, and when I turned it around, there were several ports, the antenna, the USB ports, and the power, Ethernet, power serial cable, serial port, and the Ethernet port. So you can see the biggest feature of this one is that we hide all the ports there. It meets the standard of IP67. Okay, let's take a more systematic look at the details of this waterproof HMI. We will cover it from 4 parts: the configuration, models, hardware and software, and its typical application. First, let's talk about what makes this HMI stand out in tough conditions. Its beatable durability. It boasts an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, meaning it's fully moisture-proof and splash-proof. We've tested it in humid, dusty settings, and it runs stably 24/7 without any functional impact. Plus, it has triple isolation protection, including the power isolation, serial port isolation, and Ethernet isolation. This keeps it anti-interference even in complex power grids. So you never have to worry about unexpected downtime. Another big win is the built-in IoT functionality. No extra modules, no complicated setups. You can directly use the remote monitoring, upload data to the cloud, including monitoring tags, data records, and alarm records, and keep an eye on your equipment from anywhere. This demo was displayed at the German SPS exhibition we attended last year, and it's just like the fish tank behind me. It's adaptable to harsh and humid environments and IP67 rated waterproof protection for stable 24/7 operation. And next, let's break down the model options to help you to pick the right fit. We have 4 main models, meeting different connectivity needs. They are WP3070, which has interface of RS232, RS485, RS422. This model doesn't support the remote function. And the other models, they can support LAN monitoring and cloud function. They are WP3071, WP3070W, WP3071W. And you can see we have 2 types of the Wi-Fi antenna. One is the external type and the other one is the internal type. I will show you the hardware difference after the presentation. You can tell for our waterproof HMI, you've got 2 choices for the port. Either the RS485, RS422, or Ethernet. You may ask, why is that? That is because our integrated cable can only bundle 2 types of wires max. Now, let's get into the hardware and software, 2 pillars which make this HMI reliable and smart. Starting with the hardware, it inherits the PI3070IGC architecture, powered by a quad-core high-performance processors for smooth and fast operation. It has a 128 megabyte flash and 128 megabyte RAM. So it handles data efficiently. The 1024 by 600 resolution and phone-wide resistance touch ensure clear visuals and responsive control, even with the gloves on, which is a must. It also thrives in extreme temperatures and humidity. Operating temperature ranges from -10 Celsius to 55 Celsius, and humidity from 10% to 90%. From this picture, you can see there's a small cover here, and under this cover, there are two USB ports. The first one, Type-C, is for downloading and uploading the program, and the second one, USB port, is for connecting external devices like mouse, printer, and for the cable design, I think it's genius. The HMI side has a pre-installed male aviation connector for the perfect sealing, and we will provide you a matching female connector for the on-site soldering. Its plug-and-play simplifies installation, boosts reliability, and eliminates water ingress risks from wrong on-site wiring. And here's the pin definition for the waterproof HMI with RS485 type. On the software side, its programming software is still the PI Studio. It's packed with features to boost your efficiency. The Lua script, which lets you buy flexibly in extended HMI projects, supports edge computing, building database access, HTTP, FTP networking, and customized low-level control for unique business needs. MQTT support. Easily upload data to the third-party servers, ERP, or MES. It's configuration-based with a new MQTT topic publishing component for hassle-free setup. EasyViz camera integration. You might know EasyViz camera. It's one of the most famous brands in China. The monitor equipment, interiors, and critical workstations in real time. View streams remotely via mobile app and PC. Keep tabs on your operation whenever you are. For the multi-link function, integrate scattered devices into a unified network for synchronized HMI monitoring. It uses Ethernet for multi-devices interconnection, supporting synchronous, asynchronous operation, and data exchange. It's perfect for automotive production lines. Remote access by the VNet version 2.0. Do remote debugging using Cloud SCADA, manage multiple users, and upload login data. You can monitor the HMI screen, debug PLC programs, download HMI projects, and synchronize alarm data record to the cloud, all accessible on the mobile and PC. So you may ask, where does this HMI shine in the real work and industry? Let's look at some typical applications. Our outdoor industrial devices, like charging piles, car washing stations, handles the rain and the dust. For the food processing, like meat, seafood, dairy production lines, and cleaning lines, it resists the moisture and frequent washing. Water conservancy. It's used like in the water treatment plants, pump stations. The HMI thrives in humid, water-rich environments. Mining and building materials, like stone cutting, concrete mixing, mine conveying systems. And also it can be used in textile machinery, dyeing and finishing the workshops. It handles high humidity. For the power plants, like the hydropower, the thermal power, the control room extensions and outdoor equipment, withstands temperature swings. And also docks for the loading, uploading heavy machinery and open-air platforms. It can resist wind, rain, and salt spray. In short, the WP3000 series is a Wacon's answer to the harsh industrial environment. It's stable, intelligent, cost-effective, and built to keep your operations running smoothly. And before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated, so that you will get connected with us closely for the future upcoming live streams and any updates. And at last, I'd like to show you the waterproof HMI again, in case you missed it at the beginning. Camera, hello? Can we cut back to my hands? Okay, this is our waterproof HMI WP3000 series. And as you can see, it has a sleek black casing and a minimalist design. Comparing to our IG series HMI, it has different casing color. This one's gray and the waterproof one is black. And when I turn it back, you will find all the terminals and ports are gone. There's only one combined integrated cable here. And comparing to the traditional IG series HMI, there are several cables like 2 USB ports, the power, the serial, and Ethernet. We combined the power, serial port, and Ethernet port to this only one cable here. And we hide 2 USB ports under this small cover. There are 2 USB ports, and the first one is for uploading and downloading programs. That is the USB Type-C. And the second one is the USB type for connecting external devices like mouse or printer. And for the Wi-Fi antenna, there's two types for optional. If you choose the internal Wi-Fi antenna, then it will be combined and integrated as this here. If you select with the Wi-Fi type with external type, then there will be another cable come out from here, this port. If you have any questions, you can drop comments here, and both our colleague and engineers will reply you here. And also, I'd like to share you with this cable. The standard cable length for the waterproof HMI is 1.5 meter. And there will be two connectors, the female connector and the male connector, like here. We will provide this connector. What you need to do is to making the cables by yourself. They are the Ethernet cable, the power cable, and the serial cable. If you open this up, you will see the pins there. Okay. If you have any questions, you can drop comments. IP camera. For this series, thanks Kevin for your question. For this series, it can support the EasyVis camera. For our PI 8000 IG series, it can support the IP camera. This has the basic architecture similar as the PI 3000 IG series. So you can consider it like a waterproof type of PI 3000 IG series. But it has one outstanding feature that the PI 3000 IG series doesn't have, which is the triple isolation protection. It can be used in complex and very complicated industrial environment. It supports the anti-interference. Do you have any more questions? For now, we have only launched this HMI with two covers. This one is for USB ports, and this one is for battery. And this one is for future functions like the SD card or TF card. This has not been relaunched, these functions. We still have some time, so I like to show you again with this IG series. This is the Wi-Fi antenna here, but if for this one, you cannot find this antenna because there are two types. For the external type, there will be a new cable come out, this one, for the Wi-Fi antenna. But for the internal type, that will be what you have. No external devices. Okay, and thank you all for your time today. I like to say that it's very exciting to have you here today to kick off our new year. And welcome to subscribe our channels in LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube so that you will be updated in time for our future updates and live streams. Also, welcome to get connected with me on LinkedIn. We will have many live streams in this year. Oh, thank you. If you are interested in this product, you can contact our sales. Now this one is officially launched and available for selling. Welcome to send us inquiries and any questions if you have. Okay, That's our presentation today, and thank you all again for attending our live stream. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.